Welcome back, garden enthusiasts. In today's video, we're focusing on essential feeding techniques to keep your kitchen garden healthy and thriving. Let's get started. Proper fertilization is key to providing your plants with the nutrients they need to grow. Use organic fertilizers to enrich your soil and promote healthy plant development. Compost, fish emulsion, and seaweed extracts are excellent choices for a nutrient boost. Organic fertilizers not only supply essential nutrients, but also improve soil structure and support beneficial microorganisms. Compost adds organic matter. Fish emulsion provides a quick nutrient uptake, and seaweed extracts enhance plant health and resilience. Here's how to apply fertilizers effectively. First, spread a layer of compost around the base of your plants and gently work it into the soil. Next, dilute fish emulsion with water according to the package instructions and apply it to the soil around your plants. And lastly, mix seaweed extracts with water and use it as a foliar spray or soil drench. Regularly check your plants for signs of nutrient deficiencies, such as yellowing leaves or stunted growth. Adjust your feeding schedule and the type of fertilizer used based on your plant's needs. This ensures they get the right nutrients at the right time. Feeding your kitchen garden with organic fertilizers and monitoring nutrient levels are essential steps for healthy, productive plants. Follow these tips to keep your garden thriving. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!